Sunday the 28th of June 2021. Chris and Nadine were sat in their backyard, the back garden in Latchford, Cheshire, Warrington, and they seen something move across the sky. Now, I know I'm talking and putting you off, but just watch this. They described it as one of the craziest things they've ever seen, an oval shape with a circle in the middle. It didn't look like a drone, and they really could not work out what it was, so Chris started filming on his phone. Now watch this closely. Now you might want to rewind that footage and watch again, but here is a slowed down version of the footage for you, because basically what happens is the object that looks very familiar to a helium balloon, the version that we're watching now, which is what Chris has captured on his phone, is obviously a lot different to what they could see with their human eyes. If you watch closely, the object disappears just as it's about to go out of view next to the tree, and then you see something shoot across the sky on the video footage. Now you could argue that it's a bird or a bee or something similar, but it's very strange that it happens at the same time or very close to, consecutively to the time after this object that Chris and Nadine are looking at disappears. But keep in mind that they can see an oval shape with a circle missing out of the middle of it. So watch this closely. You see that then? I'm just going to play that part again. Blinking, you'll miss it. So we're sat here on It's a Sunday, and Tom got a phone call from Chris to say, we've just seen the craziest thing ever. I'll send you the footage of it now. And like I say, they described it as an oval shape with a circle in the middle. At first they thought it was a drone, and then they thought, no, it can't be a drone. It doesn't look, or it doesn't sound like a drone. There was no sound that came from it. So we got off the phone and they sent us this footage. I was laughing at first because I thought, well, it's just a helium balloon. Then I noticed this bit at the end, which actually Chris and Nadine didn't notice. That's it there. This is a UFO in Latchford. Here's the original footage again for you. Listen to what Chris says. Bye.
What the fuck is it? Not a UFO.
And just as an added extra to this story, here is something that Nadine has found online today. Nadine and Chris have found this. It looks it looks the same as to what they could see the way that it moves, where it's got a little hole in the middle. So check this video out.
Come out the way so I can get in there. They're like got a hole in the middle of them.
It's definitely got to be a drone.
There's loads of them. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, look, you've got those like really small ones as well.
Oh, that is weird. I'm serious. That is. Look.
There's 5 up there.
There's 4.
There's 5. There's 5.
Oh yeah, there is 5. Yeah. Can you see the hole in them? There's like a hole in the middle of them.
Yeah.
I need to film them properly. Actually, look. Sounds like a deal. What's going on here?
This is posted by
That one that we saw.
I can't even see them on here no more.
UFO's Daily
I can't see them
Mail.
on here no more. There they are. Look, they're like flipping round. Oh my god.
What the hell is that? Looks like I'm coming closer, anyway.
Maybe. Otherwise, honestly, you have to get out of the garage before Morgan takes it sledding.
Oh, it's so annoying that I can't get. I'm gonna try and zoom in even more.
You can't pick it up on your camera phone. You can't get the quality the same as what you can actually see with your eyes.
Did you
Oh,
see
there you
the middle
go.
of it? It's like they got a hole in the middle of it.
Yeah. But it just like hover.
That is the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
Floating away.
Yeah, but can you see they've got a hole in the middle of them? Like when they flip round, they've got a hollow
The other 2 are well high up.
hole.
A hollow hole.